By default, the due date for each lesson and project assignment will be the end date for the course. If you would like to set individual due dates for the lesson or project assignments other than the course end date, click on the Change Course Settings link. Then, click on the Change Order, Include or Exclude Modules, and Enable Teams or Competition Scoreboard option. Next, click on the calendar icon at the end of each assignment row. Choose your end date for the lesson or project assignment, and click on the date. By default, the assignment will be due at 12 o'clock a.m. on the due date you have selected. If you would like to select a different time of day for the assignment to be due, make your selection here. The time selection is based on the time zone chosen for your class. It is recommended you set your time zone before setting assignment dates. This is explained in the last section of this video. You can click on the other assignments to select their due dates. Click the Submit Changes button when you have finished making your revisions. If a student does not complete an assignment before the due date has passed, you may grant a due date extension for that assignment for that student. To do so, click on the View Student Progress button for your course. Then, click on a student's name. Next, click on the Grant a Due Date Extension option. Select the assignment you would like to extend by clicking here. Choose a new due date by clicking here. Choose the time of day here. When finished making your selection, click the Set Due Date for Student on Selected Assignment button. The new due date you have selected will only apply to this student's account. To set the time zone for your course, click on the Change Course Settings link. Then, click on the Time Zone Settings option. You will see your current time zone here. Select your desired time zone from the options in this list, then choose whether to keep the time the same or to convert the time to the new time zone. By default, time zone settings will be applied to all future courses created for your school. Click the Submit button to save your time zone settings.